If your Nissan Maxima keeps dropping Apple CarPlay, it's usually a simple software or cable issue rather than a head unit failure. Statistically, most connection drops in the Maxima are caused by worn-out cables or debris in the charging port. Let's walk through the diagnosis steps to find out exactly where your connection is breaking down. Start by rebooting both your iPhone and the Nissan infotainment system to clear any temporary software glitches. Check your physical hardware next, ensuring your cable is certified and your lightning port is free of pocket lint. Verify that both your iPhone and your Maxima's infotainment system are running the latest available firmware versions. Identifying whether the drop is triggered by physical movement or wireless interference helps narrow down the culprit. As you can see, 60% of these issues are solved by simply swapping to a high-quality data cable. If all else fails, perform a factory reset on the car's head unit and reset your iPhone's network settings. If the USB port doesn't even provide power, you may have a blown fuse or a faulty hardware module. The golden rule is to test with a different phone first to confirm if the car or the device is at fault. Hopefully these steps got your CarPlay stable again. Safe driving and enjoy the tunes.